everybody, I'm Ashley and this is a product introduction video for Watercolor Textures Dots mini stamp set for Ink to Paper's June 2019 release. This stamp set was illustrated by Jennifer Campbell and it comes on one 3x4 small sheet like this. It retails for $6. It comes with the label affixed with the carrier sheet attached, and it comes in its own individual packaging. There are 8 watercolor dot images in this stamp set. You get a couple of large images, a few medium, and some small as well for you to create your own unique backgrounds with these dot stamps. There's lots of inspiration out there on watercolor shaped backgrounds, and so I have one to share with you today, how I created this card and I stamped this background with every single image in this stamp set. You don't have to use every one to do your background. I could have just used the larger ones, the medium ones, or just the small ones. But I love how it looks because it creates this really cool, colorful background, gives a watercolor effect without the fuss of actually watercoloring. So this set retails for $6 and it'll be available on June 15th for our release this month. And I hope this video inspires you to want to create your own custom dotted watercolor backgrounds, however you choose to use them. And for Ink to Paper, I am Ashley, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.